Hello everybody, it's Tom and this is the MSI Katana A15 AI. The Katana A15 AI is a 15-inch laptop priced at $1,591 currently. That's well under our $2,000 limit, but is it worth it? Let's jump right into it. Now, before we talk about the raw power, let's talk about the display. Again, it's a 15.6-inch laptop and it has a QHD resolution. That means 2560 by 1440 or 1440p or 2K. But of course, that's not where it ends. The laptop has a high refresh rate of 165 Hz. 60? 120? 144 Hz? What a joke. This thing is capable of 165 Hz though. If I'm being honest, the differences between 120 and any other high refresh rate is negligible to me. But that doesn't mean it won't be significant to you though. Now, let's get to the fun part. Power. The RTX 4070 has 8GB of GDDR6 VRAM. That's very good. Very good for 1440p. You think only the Ryzen processor is capable of AI? Think again, this laptop is also capable of AI tasks. Everything has to have AI nowadays or else they won't sell. I find that stupid, but whatever. Now, if you couple the RTX 4070 with the Ryzen 9 8945HS and 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and I think you've got yourself a solid gaming rig. Granted, it's not really a full-sized PC that offers the full power of those, but then again, it's still powerful. The Ryzen 9 processor is also capable of AI tasks, something I've mentioned earlier, which is also something to consider if you plan to use AI or something. As for the RAM, I don't think you'll ever need more. 32GB is plenty enough for gaming, like 99% of the time, I guess. Nah, I'm kidding. It is enough, you know. Don't worry about having to upgrade it or needing to upgrade it, but I mean, you could in the future if you wanted to. Now, ports. Honestly, it's very simple. To the left, we have the power connector, two USB-A ports, and to the right, we have the Ethernet port, rather hidden away, the HDMI 2.1 port, a USB-C port, another USB-A port, and a 3.5mm jack. It's very simple, you know, though I find the lack of USB-C ports is a tad bit disturbing, but it's not really that important. Now, upgradability is solid. Again, 32GB of DDR5 RAM is plenty. Again, if you really wanted to, you can swap in 64GB if you want. And the terabyte of storage, of course, in an SSD is there, you know, I think it's enough, but there's an extra M2 slot if you need more storage. But, you know, what else can you say, to be honest? It's a great laptop, great upgradability and all of that. The 4070 sure is a big step from the usual RTX 3000 series cards or the 4050 or 4060, and you'll never really run out of memory for the most part with 32GB of RAM. Storage-wise, well, I don't really know if a terabyte's enough for you, but I recommend upgrading the storage anyway. You can scan this QR code for the laptop, and that's about it. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a great day.